The simple truth is that in order to gain weight, you must consume more calories than your body burns. Now, you may argue that you already eat a lot, but that doesn't matter if your average calorie intake is lower than your calorie expenditure. Diet and nutrition aside, here are 5 exercises that will help you quickly gain weight and muscle. Exercise is yet another efficient method for putting on weight and building more muscle. Stay tuned for more information on heavy compound exercises like the squat, which are often the best for building muscle weight. These workouts stimulate your body and muscles, which improves your body's capacity to build muscle. So starting with number 1, squats, 4 sets of 8 repetitions. In order to perform squats, stand straight with your feet hip-width apart. Place your hands on your hips and flex your abdominals. Then, lower yourself down using only your legs until you're in a sitting position and your thighs are parallel to the ground while you're in this position. After doing so, keep your upper body steady and raise yourself back to the starting posture. Number 2, pull-ups, 10 reps in 3 sets. To begin, execute this exercise using a pull-up bar or any other solid cylindrical object. Hold the bar firmly with both hands. Pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar while keeping your arms shoulder-width apart. Then, slowly lower yourself back down until your arms are straight once more. Number 3, bench press. A flat bench and a weighted bar are required for 3 sets of 8 reps of the bench press exercise. Bench presses help you develop the shoulder, tricep, and chest muscles that are essential for bulking up. Lie on your back on the bench, grab the bar with both hands if there's a rack, and spread your fingers further. Lift the bar out of the rack by extending your arms, and then slowly lower them to bring it to your chest. Finally, gently straighten your arms and raise it back to the rack. You will also need a weighted bar for number 4, overhead press, which is 3 sets of 8 repetitions. This exercise aims to strengthen the muscles in your core, shoulders, arms, back, and legs. To begin, hold the bar with your hands shoulder-width apart and raise it to just over your chest. Then, lift it slowly until your arms are straight. Finally, carefully drop the bar back to shoulder height while keeping your elbows locked and shoulders shrugged. And number 5, sets of lunges, 8 reps in 4 sets. Lunges can be performed anywhere and don't require any special equipment, making them excellent for building and conditioning your leg and butt muscles. Maintain a straight posture while engaging your abs. Lean forward with one leg as if kneeling until your knees are 90 degrees apart. Push back on your heel and raise yourself to the starting position. Do you believe you can accomplish these 5 exercises? For more fascinating information on the human body, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends.